Hi everyone, I'm making chicken fettuccine Alfredo. Let me show you.
This is about 1.5 pounds of chicken breasts. And I'm just going to cut them in half. Carefully though, y'all. Then I'm going to kind of slice them into strips like this, and then kind of bite-sized chunks, about 1 inch. I'm gonna season my chicken with a little bit of salt, about 1/2 teaspoon, some coarse black pepper, because I like to see my pepper, and that's about 1/2 teaspoon, a little more, and some Italian seasoning, about 1 teaspoon of it, as much as I like. Over medium heat, I'm heating up a little bit, about 2 tablespoons of olive oil with a tablespoon of butter, go ahead and add my chicken. To the skillet. And I'm gonna let it cook until it's brown and no longer pink on the inside. About 5 to 7 minutes. Now I'm going to remove it and just put it on this tray for the time being. And leave all this flavor and this juice right here in the pan. Now I'm going to make my Alfredo sauce. I'm going to take 4 tablespoons of butter, and this is salted butter that I'm using, and I'm just going to let it melt right on in to this nice flavor that was left by the chicken. And I'm going to get that melted down some. To it, I have some heavy whipping cream right here. And I'm going to add about 1 cup and a half of this heavy whipping cream. Stir that in a little bit. Just give it a nice little mix right quick. And then I'm going to add to it I got a half cup of sour cream that I want to use. Now you can go ahead and just use all whipping cream, but I like to use up stuff, and that's going to be this sour cream today. And I have this going on low heat. Low heat, y'all. Because this is going to cook pretty quick. For seasoning, I'm going to add 2 heaping teaspoons of minced garlic. Maybe a little bit more, I think. I'm gonna sprinkle in some black pepper and about a teaspoon more of Italian seasoning. And I'm just gonna let this cook all together, y'all, for about a couple of minutes. And you see how it's already bubbling up, y'all, and it's still on low. Number one, I'm gonna add, this is a 5-ounce container of shaved Parmesan. I'm gonna add in the shaved Parmesan, 5 ounces, plus a little bit more, I say about a tablespoon that I had left from another recipe. I'm gonna add that. This is about 6 ounces. And I am just gonna stir it in until it melts, just until it melts. And this is our Alfredo sauce. Now I'm gonna take my fettuccine I have right here, and I'm going to get it all into the skillet. Get all of it in there. Get it all coated. And that's coated enough. Now to this, I'm going to add, I have a 10-ounce bag of broccoli florets that I steamed in the microwave. And I'm just going to add that on top because I like those vegetables. Make sure I don't get any water. I'm gonna mix that in just a little bit, y'all. I'm gonna add back our chicken, y'all, with all that juicy flavor right along with it. And I'm kind of gonna let that sit on the top and kind of stir the bottom around just a bit. After letting it simmer for a couple of more minutes on low, I tasted it and I think I'm gonna go ahead and just sprinkle just a tad bit more of kosher salt, just a tad. And I'm going to garnish it with a few red pepper flakes, because that's just how I like mine. And I have some parsley that I'm just gonna top it off with, y'all. And we be ready to go.
It's good, y'all. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. Bye-bye.